Today, we're diving into the top 12 travel tech essentials you absolutely need for your next adventure. If you're like me, you're all about that hustle, that grind, that non-stop, always-on-the-move lifestyle. And whether you're catching flights, not feelings, or just navigating the urban jungle, you need gear that can keep up. We're talking about the gear that's going to make your life easier, smoother, and way more connected. Let's get started. And as always, the links to all the products in this video can be found down in the description. These links will give you the best prices for the products, so make sure that you use them before you make a purchase. First up, we gotta talk power. You're on the go, you're snapping stories, you're hustling, you can't let a dead phone slow you down. That's why you need the MyCharge fast-charging portable charger. This thing is a beast. It's got a massive 10,500 milliamp hours capacity, enough juice to keep your phone alive for days, not hours. We're talking multiple charges, people. And the best part, this thing charges your phone crazy fast, like stupid fast. You can go from 0 to hero in the time it takes to grab a coffee. Trust me, this is a lifesaver when you're running from gate to gate or exploring a new city. Plus, it comes with built-in cables, so you don't have to worry about carrying extra cords, and the LED display lets you know exactly how much power you have left. Now, let's talk about drowning out the noise and getting in the zone. Whether you're on a plane, train, or just trying to block out the construction next door, you need a good pair of headphones. And let me tell you, the Bowers & Wilkins PX7S2E over-ear headphones are the real deal. The sound quality on these is insane. Crisp highs, deep bass, you can hear every single detail. But it's not just about the sound. These headphones are comfortable too. Like, seriously comfortable. You can wear them for hours on end and forget they're even there. Plus, the battery life is impressive. You get up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge, and with active noise canceling, you can truly immerse yourself in your music or podcast. The ear cushions are plush and the headband is adjustable, making them perfect for long listening sessions. Okay, so maybe you're not an over-ear headphone kind of person. Maybe you want something a little more discreet, a little more portable. Enter the Apple AirPods Pro 2. These little guys pack a serious punch. The noise cancellation is top-notch, blocking out all the distractions so you can focus on your music, your podcast, your next big idea. They pair with your phone instantly. No lag, no dropouts, just pure audio bliss. The sound quality is exceptional, with deep bass and crisp highs. And the battery life? Up to 24 hours with the charging case, so you can keep listening all day long. Plus, the transparency mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings when you need to. Now I know what you're thinking. What if I love my current headphones but I'm flying or at the gym? Don't worry, I got you. The 12 South Bluetooth headphones adapter is the answer to your prayers. This little device turns any 3.5mm audio jack into a wireless wonder. It's small, it's discreet, and it just works. Plug it into an audio jack, pair it with your phone, and boom, you're good to go. The build quality is top-notch, ensuring durability and longevity. It's compatible with a wide range of Bluetooth-capable headphones, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, it comes with additional features like volume control and a choice of 2 colors. Look, I get it. Traveling with a stack of books isn't exactly practical. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your reading time. The Kobo Libra color is a game changer. This e-reader has a beautiful, vibrant display that makes reading a joy. And with access to thousands of books, you'll never run out of things to read. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, so you can easily slip it into your bag. The screen quality is top-notch, with a crisp and clear display that's easy on the eyes. It also boasts an impressive battery life, lasting days on a single charge. Unique features like waterproofing and customizable reading settings make it perfect for any travel scenario. We've all been there. You're at baggage claim, anxiously watching the carousel go round and round and your bag is nowhere to be found. Don't let lost luggage ruin your trip. Get yourself a UPI Smart Tracker link. This little tracker attaches to your luggage and uses GPS to track its location with pinpoint accuracy. It boasts a long-lasting battery life of up to 1 year, ensuring you stay connected throughout your travels. Plus, it features real-time alerts and geofencing capabilities. So, if your bag ever goes missing, you'll know exactly where it is. Peace of mind, people. That's what we're going for here. Music is life and life is a journey, and every journey needs a soundtrack. The Ultimate Ears Wonderboom is the ultimate travel companion. This little speaker is incredibly durable. You can drop it, you can dunk it, you can take it to the beach, you can take it to the mountains. This thing can handle it all. And the sound? Let me tell you, it's surprisingly powerful for its size. With a battery life of up to 13 hours, it keeps the party going all day. Plus it's waterproof, so you can even use it in the shower or pool. And with Bluetooth connectivity, pairing it with your devices is a breeze. Available in a variety of colors, it suits any style. Staying connected on the road is more important than ever. But who wants to deal with expensive roaming charges? Not me. That's why I always travel with the Simo Solus Lite. This pocket-sized device gives you fast, reliable Wi-Fi pretty much anywhere in the world. No more hunting for coffee shops with decent Wi-Fi, no more shady public networks, just pure, unadulterated internet freedom. The Simo Solus Lite offers up to 16 hours of battery life, so you can stay connected all day. With speeds up to 150 megabits per second, you can stream, work, and browse without interruption. Plus, it comes with an easy-to-use app to manage your data and connections effortlessly. For all you digital nomads and remote workers out there, I feel you. Working from a laptop screen all day can be a pain in the neck. Literally. That's where the Arza portable monitor comes in. This thing is a lifesaver. It's lightweight, it's portable, and it gives you all the screen real estate you need to get things done. Plus, the high resolution makes everything look crisp and clear. It features multiple connectivity options like USB-C and HDMI, making it super versatile. Crafted with high-quality and durable metal materials and built-in kickstand, the monitor can be easily adjusted to your preferred viewing angle. Different countries, different plugs, it's a fact of life, but that doesn't mean you have to pack a different adapter for every destination. The Epica Universal Travel Adapter has you covered. This bad boy works in over 150 countries, so you can charge your devices anywhere in the world. Plus, it's got built-in safety features to protect your precious electronics from power surges. With 4 USB ports, you can charge multiple devices at once. It's built to last with a durable, compact design, and the LED indicator ensures you know when it's working even in dim lighting. Let's be real, traveling with tech can be a recipe for chaos. Cables get tangled, chargers go missing, it's a mess. But it doesn't have to be that way. The Incase Accessory Organizer is here to save the day. This thing is a godsend for anyone who travels with a lot of tech. It's got dedicated compartments for all your cables, chargers, headphones, you name it. Everything has its place and everything stays organized. With a durable build and high-quality zippers, it ensures your gear is safe and secure. It even has a water-resistant exterior to protect your gadgets from the elements. Plus, its large storage capacity means you can fit all your essentials without any hassle. And last but not least, you need a reliable backpack to carry all your gear. And trust me, not all backpacks are created equal. The North Face Vault Everyday Laptop Backpack is in a league of its own. This backpack is built to last. It's made from durable materials that can withstand the wear and tear of travel. Plus, it's got plenty of storage space for all your essentials, including a dedicated laptop compartment that keeps your computer safe and secure. The backpack features multiple compartments to keep your items organized, padded shoulder straps for comfort, and a chest strap for added stability. It also boasts a water-resistant exterior and a reinforced bottom for extra durability, making it perfect for any travel scenario. So there you have it, folks. My top 12 travel tech essentials for 2025. With these gadgets in your arsenal, you'll be ready to conquer the world, one adventure at a time. Remember, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. And with the right gear, that journey can be a whole lot smoother, more connected, and way more fun. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more travel tips and tech reviews, and check the product links in the description. Safe travels, everyone.